Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix if the video format on camera and iPhone is not changing. Now, let me show you. Whenever I've opened the camera app, then go to video and tapping on this video format, it is not changing. Now, how you can fix it? What you need to do is go to settings here, then go down here, search for camera. Click on camera, then click on record video. After this at the bottom you will see video format control, enable this option. After this open the camera app for one time, open the camera app, and now whenever you click on this the video format and also the FPS will be changed. And for more videos like this, must subscribe to Solutions Nerds. Hope you liked the video. If you have any question, comment down below. Thanks for watching.